I'm going to show you how you can take some data from a website like this, put it onto your handheld and equally onto the teacher software, but also take it from the teacher software or from the handheld and put it back into an Excel document. So I've got some data here. I just looked something up and got some weather for Darwin, mean maximum temperature for a year, and also I've got the humidity. And what I've done is I've just copied and pasted it into an Excel document. You'll notice that I've got no headings because that's really important, and also that I've saved it let me just save it to my desktop in this file type, and the file type has to be this one here, CSV, delimited. So when you've done that, it will look something like this, and now we can do something with it. What can we do with it? Well, I want to put it onto my handheld, and to do that I need a piece of free software called TI84CE. Here is the link here, but you can see that I've already got it downloaded, and I'll also just open it up for you. Bring it across into this screen so you can see it. This is TI Connect here. It does two things for me. It allows me to take some screenshots of things that are currently on my calculator. This is the calculator I've currently unconnect it. It pulls it out. That's using a USB to mini USB. Plug it back in. It will come back up. You can see it's got the current OS. And I've got some data already on there. I'm just going to take a screenshot of that. So you can see that there's the data. And I can drag and drop that into a Word document if I want to do something with just those screenshots for, say, an assignment or something like that. But that's not what I'm actually interested in. What I'm interested in is coming to this icon here, which shows me all the stuff that's on the calculator at the moment. And what I can simply do is take that CSV file and drag and drop it onto the calculator. It will say, well, how many lists do you have? And obviously I've got 2 lists. I can go continue, and where do I want to dump them? Well, I've already got some data in list 1 and list 2, so I'm going to put it into list 3 and list 4, and it's the calculator's connected, and just send it. Now you can't obviously see anything as such because it's actually on my handheld, so what I'll do is I'll just take a screenshot now of my calculator, and you'll see that that data from that Excel document, let's cancel that, go back to the actual document. Can we see that it's the same data being copied across onto my handheld? So that's how we get it onto our handheld. Pretty cool, I would say. But now we can take it off the handheld, similar sort of way. We can go into that same icon as well, and we can find list 3 and list 4. There we go, there's that one. I'm just going to use Control and copy list 4, and I can drag and drop them back onto my desktop. And there's the 2 lists again here. That then allows me on my teacher software now to go into the same location and drag and drop those 2 same Excel documents into the same places. And yet I want to send them to list 3 and 4. Now, this is the teacher software, remember, and that's also available by the TI website. If we go into Stat now, we can see that that data is there, and I can now do something with it. Equally, if this data came off the calculator in the first place, let's say we're using some sensors with the Vernier app, it's called Easy Data on the calculators, and I've got some science programs where I've collected some data. I can do the same thing, save it like this, and then I can actually double click on it, and you can't see here, I'm just going to drag this other screen across. It'll ask me, there it is, and what do you want to do with it? So I can actually then just copy that and dump it into an Excel document. So that's very cool. Hopefully you found that useful. If I can help any more, just get in touch. Thank you.